Nigerian social media personality Okuneye Idris, widely known as Bobrisky, has been rushed to Falomo Police Hospital while in custody at the Force Criminal Investigation Department Annex in Lagos. Sources within the FCID Annex in Alagbon confirmed to Vanguard that following complaints of severe chest discomfort, Bobrisky was transported by ambulance to receive urgent medical attention. The transfer occurred around 2 p.m., with the subject wearing a black gown and face covered with a shawl. The medical agency came at a crucial moment, as plans were underway to transfer Bobrisky to the Special Flood Unit. Prior to the medical incident, NiajaNews TV reported that Bobrisky was apprehended while allegedly attempting to cross into the Benin Republic. The arrest took place during routine passport checks at the Semi-Nigerian border. This development came shortly before Bobrisky was due to appear before a Senate panel of inquiry. The transfer to Falomo Police Hospital took precedence over the planned movement to the Special Flood Unit, with authorities prioritizing immediate medical care. Sources indicate the health concerns arose following a visit from the Commissioner of Police overseeing the transfer arrangements. Medical staff at Falomo Police Hospital are attending to the situation, while law enforcement officials maintain custody. Further details about the medical condition and subsequent legal proceedings are pending. Stay informed with news updates at NiajaNews TV.